Having issues with your GameSir G7 SE? Here's how to manually calibrate GameSir G7 SE on Xbox. Step 1. Unplug the USB-C cable from the controller. Step 2. Now press and hold View plus Menu plus Xbox buttons together. Then, while holding the buttons, plug the USB-C cable back in. Now the light should blink slowly. Once it blinks, press the A button to begin the calibrating. Next step, move both joysticks in full circles 3 times. Then, press and hold LT and RT all the way down. Now press A again. The light should turn solid white. That means it's done. Unplug and plug the USB-C again to complete the process. And there you go. Your controller should be as good as new. Thanks for watching.